In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an iron golem in Minecraft. So what you'll have to do is simply get some materials. The materials are very easy. Let me just get in the ground. Basically, you will need some iron blocks, and also you will need carved pumpkin. So the carved iron-like block, you can just get it from an example crafting table, and you can make like 9 irons. So once you make all irons, you'll get an iron block. For the carved pumpkin, you can use shares on pumpkins placed on the ground, and you'll be able to get that. So what you'll have to do next is simply place 2 blocks right here, one on the right, one on the left, and a head at the top. And this will make your iron golem, and you should be good to go. So this is good if you want to like defend your village, for example, your base or something like that, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.